Comparing this to some other time doesn't make any sense, because there is no other time like this one that we're in. Superintendent,
can you elaborate
hold on
on
one second.
I think it is like Fort Lori, because it's like very random times she like blocks off the street too. And
even
I'm like,
when there aren't protests,
no
she'll block it
protests.
off. You know, she blocks us off so she can feel safe, even though it's hurting all of her neighbors.
How can you justify such a large police presence near your home at a time when police officers are stretched to the limit and working 12-hour days? And why are you enforcing a law banning protests at residential homes that has not been enforced in recent memory when protesters showed up at homes of your predecessors, including Mayor Emanuel?
This is a different time like no other. And I'm not going to make any excuses for the fact that given the threats that I have personally received, given the threats to my home and my family, I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that they are protected. And I make no apologies whatsoever for that. We are living in very different time. And I've seen the threats that have come in. And I have an obligation to keep my home, my wife, my 12-year-old, and my neighbors safe.
Neither state nor local government can write a law which violates the Constitution of the United States. As it's been interpreted by the Supreme Court, as of now, the limitation is on protest at a particular home, not a particular block.
Why are we engaged in such violence? Because there are too many damn guns on our streets. And why is that so? Because the Republican leadership for way too long, including this president, refuses to even have a conversation about common sense gun reform.
And just is it essentially a ban, or is it a ban? Just to be clear on protesting at your house.
No, protesting in neighborhoods is not, it's not legal. What we try to do is err on the side of First Amendment rights, and so we give a little bit of wiggle room there. We compromise, except for the embedded violence we've seen. We have to accept that that's a reality today. It's unprecedented that you would embed violent offenders in a peaceful protest, but that's what's happened. So we're going to protect not only our downtown, our other neighborhoods, but the mayor's neighborhood is also included in that.